It's a rock-throwing crossbow. Very dangerous and unpredictable weapon.
This cocky amateur weaponsmith went against a master weaponsmith to craft a violent crossbow. The final ends with a catastrophic weapon failure.
I make everything. I built my own cameras. I built a vending machine when I was 5 years old. So this is just the next step along the line.
5 days of forging later.
Confident up first, ready for this? Yeah. After the first shot, pretty much sighted it right on straight dead center. Both times with the shots in there. Overall, sir, this should kill.
All right, Greg, you're up. You ready?
Oh, absolutely.
We had an accidental discharge with your weapon. Dave Baker never touched that trigger. This is a mechanical malfunction. The hook you made wasn't large enough to hold the high-tension string securely. Creating a hair trigger has earned your weapon a vote of no confidence.